Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to show you how to make some sweet potato chicken soup on the stove. Sweet potato chicken soup on the stove. So I have everything ready. Let's get started, okay? Alright. Okay. I have here 2 chicken breasts cut up and cubed, some broccoli cut up, some tomatoes. This is about 4 small tomatoes from my garden, 1 very large onion, and a half of a sweet green pepper. Okay? Alright, I have the water boiling on the stove already. Let me turn your attention to that. Okay, we're going to start adding it. So I'm going to add the onions. And the peppers. I'm going to let that boil for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to add my chicken. Okay, and we're going to let that all cook down for another 10 minutes, and then I'll add my vegetables. And at the tail end is when I'm going to add the sweet potatoes, because you know the sweet potatoes will get too soft, and I don't want them to be mushy. Okay, alright, so let's give this about 5 to 10 minutes to get started. The water come back up. I'll be back in about 7 minutes. Thank you. Okay guys, so our onions have been boiling actually for about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add the chicken. And I'm going to add some chicken base. Bring that flavor up. Okay, I did 3 heaping tablespoons full of chicken base. And now I want to add the tomatoes. Let's add some seasonings. We're going to add some cilantro. You can go over and check out my video how to make a cilantro paste. I made that for you. You can go check that out. We're going to add that to it. I did about a teaspoon total. And we're going to add some garlic paste. I also did a video on how to make garlic paste. You can go check that out. I'm going to do a half a teaspoon, which would be equal to 1 clove of garlic, okay? Okay, now we want to add some, let's go with some black pepper. We'll let that come back up to a boil. And we'll be back in about 7 minutes. Thank you. Okay, now I want to add the sweet potatoes to our soup. Okay, so we have in here the seasonings and the onions, the tomatoes, the cilantro, and the garlic. So now we're adding the sweet potatoes. When the sweet potatoes get like maybe, I'd say 3 minutes before it's completely done. Now you don't want the sweet potatoes to get soft. You want them still firm. We're going to add our broccoli, okay? Alright, so I'm thinking that that's going to give me about maybe 5 minutes to check the sweet potatoes, okay? And we'll be back in 5 minutes. Okay, so now we're going to add the broccoli to the soup. The yams have been cooking for, well, not the yams, the sweet potato has been cooking for about 5 minutes. So we'll give the broccoli a chance to catch up. And then we should be good in about maybe 2-3 minutes. Okay? Alright, we'll be back. Oh, before I go, a message from Grandma Ray. Hit that like button if you like it. Please subscribe and share the video, okay? Check out the links below. And remember, have a wonderful day tomorrow. That's a good word. A wonderful day tomorrow. Make it your business to have a wonderful day tomorrow, okay? Alright, we'll be back in 2. Okay guys, let me let you see this. Oh my goodness. Sweet potato chicken soup. Huh? Look at that. Sweet potato chicken soup. Wow. And let me get a thumbnail on that one. Look at that. Sweet potato chicken soup. Wow. Let me taste. Okay. Oh, it looks so pretty, guys. So pretty. Let me get some sweet potato. And remember to just put the sweet potatoes in like the last 3 to 5 minutes, okay? Just till it gets tender, but not, you still want it to hold its firm texture, okay? 3 to 5 minutes is enough to leave its shape. Okay, let me taste. The sweet potato just comes bursting in your mouth. And you're not expecting it because it's soup. It is really, really good. And the broccoli is still firm. And the taste is awesome, guys. Awesome. Please try this one for Thanksgiving, right? And it's a healthy soup. It's all vegetables and some chicken. Healthy. No white potatoes in it. None of that. No starch. No pasta. Healthy. Please check it out, will you? Okay. Give it a thumbs up. Share the video. Subscribe. Check out the links below. Talk to you next time, okay? On my next video. Bye-bye.